Hello! Welcome back to the channel. This is Marky from PH Books and More. I am back again with another bookish video. So, I hope you're all enjoying your day and hopefully the holidays are treating you very kindly. So, this is actually part 2 of my series, sabihin na natin. This is my bookshelf tour where I show you all of the books that I have on my shelf, in my boxes, wherever they are right now. So, if you haven't seen the first video or part 1, please do check it out. In-explain ko doon kung ano yung i-expect nyo throughout these videos. And also, I talked about my history of reading books or reading materials. So, please check it out if you have the time. And then, balik kayo dito sa part 2. Now, for part 2, these are actually books not from the shelf, but in container boxes, plastic container boxes. Nakalagay sila doon kasi wala na akong space sa shelf. Hindi ko na sila madagdag dun sa mga gaps kasi masyado na rin madami. So, I decided to just buy 2 additional container boxes and then put them in there. Most of the books that you will see in this video, as well as probably the next 2 videos, are from SciComm or Wattpad adaptations. May iba na from different publishers or from different companies, pero hindi ganun kadami. Mas marami pa rin yung Psychom books na nandito. So, I will show them all to you. I will start with one of the plastic containers. I don't know how many books are here, but marami sila. Okay. Now, fair warning, I know may mga elitist readers out there who feel like these kinds of books are not top quality. I'm not one of those. Okay? I read for fun, for leisure. Hindi ako nag-criticize ng book. If I like it, good. If I don't like it, move on to the next book. I don't dwell on negative things, lalo pagdating sa pagbabasa ng libro. All of these were made with effort. Malaki man o maliit, there's effort in making these materials. So, you read you, yes. Kung ano yung preferred mong basahin, go ka lang dyan, right? I guess, damihan mo na lang yung pagbabasa ng Filipino books. So, let's support local books muna. Yung mga foreign books, marami ng supporters yan. Mababalikan mo yan. But with local books na medyo nahihirapan when it comes to um, longevity, supportahan natin. Okay? So, with that out of the way, let's now start my part 2. Or let's now start part 2 of my bookshelf tour. Sana hindi ako makalat magsalita. Okay, the first one that I'm going to show you is a book set. Okay. Nabili ko to, I believe, either 50 pesos or half the price. Or baka 70% off. Either of those three. So, kung ano man dun sa tatlong yun yung reason kung ba't ko siya binili kasi mas mura siya. So, we have in here Ang Mutya ng Section E by Eat More to Be Happy, Lara Flores. So, this is part 1. Naglagay ako ng stand para kung meron akong anecdote, papatong ko muna yung libro. This is book 2 or part 2. There. And then you have part 3. And then this is book 2, part 1. There. And of course, you have book 2, part 2. There. So that's ang mutya ng section E. And then I also have this one. This is also a series, but currently, usog ko lang to. Currently, kulang ako ng isa sa series na to. So this is My Husband is a Mafia Boss, season 1. And then this is season 2. Okay. You have season 3, part 1. There. And finally, season 3, part 2. So that's My Husband is a Mafia Boss. And this is by Yana Loves You. There. Pababa ko yung books kasi baka malaglag sila. So give me just a second. Okay. Here we go. Okay. The next one is another series. I'm sure familiar dito yung mga sabihin na nating late millennials. Okay. So we have Diary ng Pangit. This is part 1, I think, by Have You Seen This Girl? And then you have part 2. And then there's part 3. There. And of course, you have part 4. So, Diary ng Pangit. And I also have this one. This is by Errol Dane. You have Say This Lover. I think napakita ko na to during my book haul a few months ago. So, if you haven't seen that video, kindly check it as well. And then this is Say This Lover 2, Complicated Love. You have Say This Lover 3, Definitely a Sadist, Volume 1. And this is Say This Lover Volume 2. Or Say This Lover 3, Volume 2. Okay, let's move on. Ito, nabili ko to online. So, bargain ko siyang nabili. Hindi ko maalala how much, pero discounted price din. So, you have Alasana Marie's Talk Back and You're Dead. So, that's book 1. This is book 2, Talk Back and You're Dead. And then, eto, I think this is part 2 of that series. So, Never Talk Back to a Gangster, still by Alasana Marie. And then this is Never Talk Back to a Gangster 2. This is book 3. And you have book 4 here. So that's Talk Back and You're Dead. So baba ko lang sila ulit. Okay. Next one. Duology naman to. Mga duology. So from Night in Black. So you have Hell University Part 1. And then this is Hell University Part 2. Right. Ito naman, ibang series, pero I think it's a sequel for Hell U. So we have Chasing Hell, Part 1. And there's Chasing Hell Part 2. There. Next, another duology. This is from G Beloved. Okay, so we have Harrison University, The School of Monsters, Part 1. Again, by G Beloved. And then, this is Part 2. So, there. Okay, let's continue. Okay, sana hindi malaglag yung mga pinatong. Next one, we have another book set, or book series rather. So this is That Prongy Girl by Osik, or Ausik. I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's book 1, or part 1. Here's part 2. This is part 3. And then you have part 4. Then there's part 5. And finally, part 6. Itong mga to, nabili ko sa outlet store ng National Bookstore dito sa Cubao. I think I bought them, yung iba 20 pesos yata, pero may iba na 50. But yeah, bargain price din sila. So there. Right. Let's move on. This is now from Anak na Rizal. Gosh, hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko. But this is Nemesis Tale. Yan, that's book 1. And then there's book 2. Nemesis. I have to check. Sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation. So yeah, again by Anak na Rizal. Okay, let's continue. This one, standalone to, Pillars of Magic by Naughty Jackie. Ito naman, trilogy. We have Labyrinth Academy by Miss Azra. Ayan, so that's book 1. Here's book 2. There. And then you have book 3. Okay. There. Let's continue. This one, another series. So we have My Facebook Boyfriend for Real, Volume 1, question mark. This is Volume 2. There. And this is Volume 3. There. You have Volume 4. And finally, Volume 5. This is by A.B. Castueras. Kung mabasa yung Wattpad name niya, but yeah, A.B. Castueras. Okay, let's move on. The next one, I'm not sure kung may mga series pa dito, but let me just show them one by one. So these are books by Jason Benedicto. So you have Thank You for Calling, The Hold Button Chronicles. Yan, Jason Benedicto. Next one, Bakit Hindi Tayo? Next one is Full Strain to Stop. And finally, Busted, Si Lee at ang Kamote Extinction Theory. Here. And I have this one. I think this is only book 1. So, Tamako Siya by Black Lily. And then, I also have some books by... Oh, here are more books by Jason Benedicto pa pala. So, ito na siguro ang pinakamahabang title ng isang libro na ginawa sa Pilipinas at nagmula sa munting Facebook page ni Ako po si Jason na walang maisip na pamagat. So, Jason Benedicto pa din yan. And then, Daily Dairy Diarrhea Diary. Again by Jason Benedicto. Tapos, meron akong 2 books by Radson Mendoza. So, here's Nakaraan Zone. And then the other one, Scene 143 a.m. Next, this one, I'm not sure if these are, I think this is part of a series of books, pero hindi naman sila yung tipong connected sa isa't isa kasi they're more of collections. So you have Heartbreakers 1, or Season 2 1. There's Season 2 2. And then you have 3. Here's number 4. And then you have number 5. Oops. There. And last one, number 6. There. Next one, I have some books na I think standalone din. So this is Lama sa Baktani. This is by Stephanie J. Alvarez. And then there's Cagayan. At Isang Pag-ibig sa Panahon ng All-Out War by Jack A. Alvarez. There. And then this one here, we have Taga-Call Center Ako, or hashtag Taga-Call Center Ako by Macroni Tomandao. Okay. Let's move on. Ito ay duology din, I guess. So, mga kwento ni na Crazy Mix at Basilio, Book 1 and Book 2. Moving on, we have Dark Files or The Dark Files. Yan. Multiple writers yung nagsulat. And then this is, I guess this is part 2. So, Dark Files. I also have this one. This is Panitikan by Van Solitas. Cute ng title. It's a pun. This one, another trilogy. We have Private versus Public, written by Hannah Love. This is part 1. This is part 2. And you have part 3. Next is this one. That Tooth Thing Called Forever by Don Vittorio Sivallasin. You have My True Friends, Slumbook and Planner by Ramon Bautista. And then you have Bakit Hindi Ka Crush ng Crush Mo? I think this was adapted into a movie. I'm just not sure kung what year yun. This is one of the oldest book I have in my collection. Kwentong Tambay by Nicanor David Jr. Stories to ng mga OFWs, I think, or ng experience nga as an OFW. Ito ay, okay, yung mga next books ay hindi na from Psycom. Yep. So we have Gladys and Fur by Ace Bibitangkol. Okay. Next is Charotism by Ethel Buba. I love Ethel. Next, Destiny is a Bitch by Joey J. Makatang Isip. There. Next one is Boys Night Out in I Need Space. There. Then we have Funny List. I don't know who wrote this one. I'll check. This is by Light Books. Oh, but it doesn't say who wrote it. So yeah, Funny List. Okay. And then I have the original screenplay for Pang MMK by Direk Sweet Lapus. Yeah. And then I also have this book of Direk Wende Ramas. Yeah, direct to the point. And then this one, Conversations pa More with Ricky Lo. There. Next one, I think I only have a few more left. Okay. Wow. This video is 18 minutes long. Okay. So again, these are from Psycom. So these are collections. So we have here Reads. So this is volume 1. Collection of short stories, if I'm not wrong. And then this is volume 2. I love the colors. And then you have volume 3. There. Sorry. I think I'm wrong. I think this is 3. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorry. This is volume 5. Okay. Volume 4. Volume 3. There. And then these are volumes 1 and 2. So volume 2. And then volume 1. Sorry, hindi nyo na nakikita ng buo yung cover. Usog ko na lang. There. And okay. Last 3 in this box. So ito I think this is funded by the government way back. Kung di ako nagkakamali by something related to finance. I just don't know. Parang Department of Budget and something. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know exactly who funded this one. But yeah, it's basically all about managing your finances. So we have Kaching. Ayan. And then you have appear, disappear. And then the last one is Kaching Hai. There. So there you go. That's all the books in this first box. Iba ang dami, umabot ng 20 minutes. But that's just part two of this bookshelf tour. I have, again, two more boxes with Psychom books. So, antabayanan nyo lang yon. I'll be filming that right after this one. So, just stay tuned. So, thank you again for spending your 20 plus minutes with me. This is Marky again from PH Books and More. I will see you in the next video. Bye!